So I'm a member of the task force for the NWSA, the National Wireless Safety Alliance. It's an organization that was created to try and standardize training and certification levels across different types of tower technicians and foremans in the industry. Historically in the past, there's a lot of different skills that go into different technician levels and foreman levels within the industry. And NWSA is striving to try and level the playing field and give everybody a set of skills and a way of examining those to make sure that we're using best practices and putting forth guys and gals in the industry that really have a good handle on what they need to do and the crucial skill sets for each different position. So as a member of the task force, we're currently meeting about every 6 weeks and working on the testing questions and the different criteria for the different levels, things like prerequisites, training levels, and things like that, to set guys up for success in the field, and to also give companies, something that they can base decisions on who to bring in and what constitutes a good crew and what needs to be present on those teams to be safe and provide a good quality outcome on tower sites. Historically in the wireless industry, a lot of the training that gets done is on-the-job training. So the NWSA is really striving to create a skill set that people know ahead of time that gives them the ability to learn certain skill sets and develop those skills to be a better tower technician. There's certain things that we need to do the right way in the industry, and we're writing the questions and the test procedures to try and highlight those and make sure that a tower technician that claims to be a level 1 or level 2 really has some sort of examination and standard that they've been held to make sure that training and the skill sets are really there. In the industry, a lot of times people will come into a certain position and will claim to have certain skill sets or experience, and this is a way that we can give a real concrete label, if you will, to make sure that they've met those criteria. So the NWSA already has taken a lot of steps to furthering this program. We're working on developing the written and practical exams for the first level, Tower Technician 1. And there's a lot of good information out there. We've partnered with the National Commission of Crane Operators to format some of our rigging and signal person training that way. If you want more information, you can go to NWS-A.org. And there's a whole bunch of information on why that was created, who's involved, and as we develop more of the tests and procedures, that'll all get laid out there so guys can follow along and get ready to take their tests.